In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Google Drive folder. If you've ever needed to duplicate a folder in Google Drive, you might have noticed there isn't a simple Copy Folder button. However, there are still reliable ways to recreate a folder along with its contents so you can keep your files organized and safely duplicated for backup, sharing, or project management. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account so you can access all your files and folders. Once the main dashboard loads, locate the folder you want to copy. Open the folder so you can see all the files inside it. Since Google Drive does not allow direct folder duplication in one click, you will need to work with the files inside the folder instead. Select all the files within the folder. You can do this by clicking and dragging across the files or selecting them individually. Once they are highlighted, right-click on one of the selected files to open the menu options. From the menu, choose Make a Copy. Google Drive will automatically create duplicate versions of each selected file. These copied files will appear in the same folder with copy added to their names. Next, you will need to organize these copied files into a new folder. Go back to your main Google Drive view and create a new folder by clicking the New button, then selecting Folder. Give the folder a clear and recognizable name so you can easily identify it later. After creating the new folder, go back to the copied files. Select them again, right-click, and choose the option to move them. Then navigate to your newly created folder and confirm the move. This places all duplicated files neatly inside the new folder, effectively recreating the original structure. Once everything is moved, you now have a full copy of the original folder's contents stored in a separate location. This allows you to manage versions of your files without affecting the original set. For better organization, it's a good idea to double-check both folders to ensure all files were copied correctly and placed in the right location. And that's it. You now know how to copy a Google Drive folder by duplicating its contents and organizing them into a new folder for easy management and backup. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.